Welcome back to another episode here at 3DO Sounds. We spent 6 weeks traveling all around Taiwan, but sadly this will be the only video that we have for you. And at the end of the video I would like to explain why it is the only video. So without further ado, let's get into the video because we would like to show you what a typical day looks like when we are out recording sounds. Now these are the sounds I'm looking for. Kitchen ambience, no music. So these are the sounds that I'm really looking for to record. We have this kitchen ambience in the background. Then we have, of course, street ambience. There's a lot to record. You know, this is such a regular day whenever we are out or when I'm out alone. So now let's see if we can get to one of the streets that Libby had pointed on the map. So let's go. Now this is the time when I take out my big gear. And then I don't put it back in until maybe we go to public transportation, a bus or a train. This is nice, you hear the electric? Beautiful pass-by sounds we have here. Hey! 德国人，美国人，我们是美国人，你都知道我是美国人。哦，我爱你。我爱你。Why you say so much? I need say first. Oh, 感谢。You know, it's just a slice of life, and this is what happened to all over Taiwan for us. We met so many incredible people already on the road, or people reached out to us. If you have never been to Taiwan, I highly recommend doing it. It's such a beautiful place to be. All right, so I'm going to start recording here, and I see you in our next location. You know, it might be boring for someone, but not for me, as you can hear in the background. And every time I want to record and start the recording, it stops. The construction noise. So now I'm going to wait here and record this. But yeah, these are the sounds that I record. Oh, look at the cute teddy here on the floor. Ayo. Aya. Oh. They may don't put it in the trash, they put it on the side of the truck. So if you ever come to Taiwan and you see the trash trucks, you will hear them definitely. Then look on the side, maybe a teddy bear on it. So I'm going to record this and then we see you in the next location. Alrighty, woo! Time to pack away the gear. We are using the bus and public transportation all over Taiwan is a breeze. All we need to do is getting one of these cards. You can get them at 7-Eleven or at any train station, and super affordable. All we need to do is wait here, and you hear that beep beep beep. That's something here in Taiwan that every truck, bus or construction car has to have. You know, it's not so easy to make these kind of videos. Why? Well, we have a pretty unique audience. People care about gear. So they might don't care about these kind of videos, but then you have people that are interested in the country and travel, but they don't really want to listen to construction noise. So we are like in a pickle here. Oh, that's a brand new one. Fully electric. Already recorded tons of sounds of these buses. Ta-da! Full bus. Wow, what a bus. What a modern, clean, safe, nice bus. So we are here in Anping, and over there we see tourists. And what we're doing is we're recording the activity. There's also a sprinkler over there, water. Here in the background we have a nice river with birds, and what we don't have is music. And that's what I'm doing. I'm recording these kind of sounds. There's no wind. Normally I wouldn't need this, but sometimes it just comes out of nowhere. It's just better. Also, if you watch the video about the bag, one of our previous videos, the setup that I had in the video is not the setup anymore that I have. Only when I travel, so I go to the airport. But now everything is just fit in here in the upper part. I open this up, I turn it on, and then I start recording. Sinh nhật 快乐! I don't know if you saw it, but the birds followed the boat because they knew that the fish starts to jump, and then they just got the fish. And how do we call this? Perfect timing. Reminds me of our time in Cappadocia, Libby. Remember? All the pigeons. Wow, now look at this long stretch, and at the end of that street is the ocean front. Can we go there? No? Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, they take it. As you can see, we're fully prepared. And this is not a tourist attraction, so this is actually where fishermen go, and we just went here to the checkpoint, and they said, okay, we need your passport, we need all your documentations and phone number just in case we get lost, and we have to wear this vest. So let's go and have a good time here. Oh, wow, okay. Now what we're doing is we go all the way to the lighthouse. I believe, I hope. Wow. This is the life, you know? Unexpected. Just keep on walking and see what happens. So cool here. Look at this beautiful lighthouse. And it's not just one, there's another one over there, a red one. So if you want, you can go over there and then you go on the other side and you can do the same thing again. But we don't do this because we're getting a little hungry. So we go back into the city, we see you there and see what else we can record over there. All right, and this is how a typical day looks like when we're out recording sounds. On this day, we walk between 30 and 35,000 steps, and that's what we love doing. We love going to places, exploring by foot, and then start recording. Now, I mentioned in the beginning of this video that this is the only one that we have, and one of the reasons, or the main reason, is that our channel is this mix between travel, gear, and sound recording. But to be honest, and I'm pretty sure you know that, YouTube is not our full-time income. Now just imagine this, sound recording and then trying to make more video content in these 6-week time frame that we had in Taiwan. That would mean at the end of the day, or maybe even at the end of these 6 weeks, we would have maybe more YouTube videos, but way less sound recording. And to be honest, sound recording is still our main priority. Let me tell you, Taiwan is incredible, and this video may not showcase this, but if you're actually really interested in seeing what we recorded on a daily basis and what locations we visited, feel free to check out our Instagram account and check out our stories. We saved every single day when we were out there, and you can rewatch them. But are we going back to Taiwan, Libby?
Yes, we are.
And when?
In autumn this year.
Okay, but this time we make YouTube videos, so thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.
Subscribe!